Is your Amana AC blowing warm air instead of cold? Let's explore the main reasons why this happens. The most common reason is a refrigerant leak. The AC system relies on refrigerant to absorb and transfer heat from your home. When refrigerant levels are low, it can't cool the air effectively. Other culprits include dirty air filters or coils that reduce airflow, a faulty thermostat that misreads temperatures, compressor issues that prevent proper pressure, or leaky ductwork that lets cooled air escape. Newer Amana models have smartphone app integration that can help diagnose low refrigerant levels via onboard sensors. It's also important to check that your thermostat is set to cool mode. Start by checking and cleaning the air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow and reduces cooling efficiency. Next, inspect the outdoor unit for any obstructions. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you might have a refrigerant leak, which requires a professional to fix safely. Modern Amana units use eco-friendly refrigerants like R454B, so ensure the technician is certified to handle these. Regular maintenance, like annual tune-ups, can prevent these issues. For capacitor issues, ensure replacements are rated for high temperatures. Ignoring these early signs can escalate repair costs significantly.